Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. Well, this is today's subject for me, and I shot this image for a couple years ago, ready for this line image by Adobe Photoshop. Filter called Find Edges to make this, and I don't know how I'm gonna use it later. Anyways, I'm gonna change the layer mode to darken so we can see through underneath of the picture. And okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate this layer first, then I'm gonna just save it this. Just turn down, turn off. Then I'm gonna work on this. Well, today I want to use a smudge tool on this. Then I'm gonna make a mask to show the clear face and stuff. Let's get started now. Okay, use this image to smudge. Now I'm gonna use that artistic to La Rapuna. This is I'm using so much. I like this brush. Let's start from maybe this accessories. Make it a little small. We can see that line image. Find the edge layer. So even to smudge it, it'll see it in the shape. And also I'm gonna mask on the base image of that photograph, so we can see that texture on this accessories also. The point of the smudge tool is, if it's details, just use this little brush size, so you can see what that is. If you go big, smudge tool, then it's going to be some kind of abstract shape. Well, if you want to express that abstract image, then that's fine. But about the face, I like it kind of sharp. Well detailed, easy to see. Okay, a little bit bigger on this kind chin area. Doesn't have to be so precise. Just see the texture of it. Oops, that's too big for face line. Oops, what this? Oh, I didn't realize that use a smudge. Now smudge to this far, not precise, all over, shows the far texture, real soft, nice. When I use a mask on the base image, I may find some interesting texture of the brush, so it'll express whole image like. So I don't worry about this smudge image now, just like I painted. And also I checked that if you have some skins, we can make some softness. Same time, oops, that again. I changed, maybe this? Yeah, double change the smudge and brush, huh? Okay, now it's smudge. Now a little bigger to smudge this far. Then more there to go outside. I may not use this outside of the picture, but when it's make mask, if it shows that the straight lines, you're gonna fix it later again. So I'm doing just smudge outside. make it bigger. And then, especially this kind of straight lines, just smudge it. Then make it blur, kind of blur image. It's all out of focus anyways, so take out these straight lines of the frame, make it a little bigger more, a little bit smaller to this chair side, outline of the chair, and design too. Okay, almost done for smudge. Then I won't smudge her face much because I'm gonna make that mask to show the base image anyways, so won't show much on smudge image anyway. Okay, now layer, show that make mask, then invert mask. Now maybe tone down on this line image about maybe 75% or so. Now invert mask, I'm gonna use artistic to old beach. Let's try on this. Reveal, use the white 100% first, then a little bit bigger size. You can see now. Okay, a little bit bigger more. Just we're gonna see that overall is thin first. Not gonna go dark first line. Yep, that's fine. I'm not gonna reveal everything, just main subject of that picture. So first of all, the face, eyes, and kimono, some. Now go dark, small. Okay, same time I'm gonna make mask on this layer too, because it shows everything frame like outside. You see what I'm saying? We don't need to see these, so show the image layer, then make mask, then invert. So we're gonna reveal same brush to use some of. Now we don't see the line image there, but I told you I want outside of the hairlines and stuff, accessories. It's gonna show some, so we can see that shape is gonna be this. Then we're gonna show that little more detail on real image, base image photograph. This is, and also the chair outlines, maybe this much or so. You can tell this is a reveal image now. Okay, now we're gonna add another layer though. Maybe on top, another layer. Now we use painting and maybe fresco to use. Paint it on this layer. Magenta and blue is nice combination of, I like it, this combination, and I'm gonna use this use that the fresco in the big size, and maybe 70% or so of the color of the magenta. Magenta comes, that's pretty big. We paint it on here, okay? Maybe a little more small. I'm gonna use here greenish blue to make here. This is smudge image. Yeah, smudge, right? Smudge it on mask, and I keep it this photograph image, base image, everything is in it. I mean texture, everything. But this one is smudged images over this image. It shows like this. So I'm gonna move this layer to top. Maybe underneath of that background color. Now you see it's right here. Then we want to mask it, same time, make mask, and also invert mask. Now we're gonna reveal this with the different brush. What was that? Anything's fine, but brush or watercolor. It says watercolor in Japanese. Well, use that. Let's see it. Okay, now use the white. Then reveal on this mask. Just like show this detail of the accessories. You don't see much now. This is the one. Then if you want to show that some hair details, also you can reveal the mask here. And face is fine, but the chin area and this here too. And ear, it's don't show much, so you take it out from your layer mask, you see, so more detail. Make it smaller. When you show the shadow side, then it's make it more clear look. Okay, I think almost done for this. I may want this yellowish brown. I mean cream color. I like that more. Add some. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I appreciate to support me to watch my video, and have a nice day guys, and see you next time. Thank you and bye now. Ciao.